Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make a world of difference in both your personal and professional life, making a stellar first impression. Have you ever wondered what it takes to win someone over in just a few seconds? Well, you're in the right place. We'll explore 3 simple yet powerful strategies that can help you create a lasting positive impression every time. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about proper grooming. Why does it matter so much? Research shows that the way you present yourself can significantly influence how others perceive you. A well-groomed appearance signals that you value yourself and respect others. So what does proper grooming entail? Here are some essential tips. Daily hygiene. Start with basic hygiene practices. Regular showers, brushing your teeth, and maintaining clean skin are non-negotiable. Clothing choices. Choose clothes that fit well and are appropriate for the occasion. Your attire should reflect both your personal style and the context of the meeting or event. Hair and nails. Keep your hair neatly trimmed and styled. Clean, well-manicured nails also add to a polished look. Next, let's focus on upright posture. Good posture not only helps you appear more confident, but also enhances your overall presence. Here's how to maintain upright posture. Seated posture. Sit with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and feet flat on the floor. Avoid slouching or leaning too far forward. Standing posture. Stand tall with your shoulders back and head up. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. 3. Body language. Your posture conveys confidence and openness, so be mindful of how you sit and stand in various settings. Remember, good posture can be practiced and improved over time. Incorporate simple exercises and stretches into your routine to help maintain it. Finally, let's discuss the power of eloquent speech. How you communicate can significantly impact your first impression. Speaking clearly and avoiding swear words not only makes you sound more professional, but also helps you connect better with your audience. Here are some tips for speaking eloquently. Articulation. Practice enunciating your words clearly. Avoid mumbling or speaking too quickly. Vocabulary. A varied vocabulary helps you express your thoughts more precisely. Read widely and practice new words. Avoid swear words. Using appropriate language in any setting shows respect and professionalism. Stick to clear, respectful language to make a positive impact. To wrap up, let's recap the 3 strategies to make a fantastic first impression. Proper grooming, maintaining an upright posture, and speaking eloquently. By implementing these tips, you'll not only create a great first impression, but also boost your confidence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.